Hi guys, welcome back to Everyday Living with Auntie. It's the same day, it's Christmas Day. I hope you've watched my previous vlog on how we made our Christmas breakfast. And now it's time for us to leave. We're leaving for the Christmas family get together. Let me show you how my babies look. My babies, they look amazing. Baby, it was so morning. Castiel is over there. Castiel, move behind. Move where Castiel is. Go where Castiel is. Go where Castiel is. Yay! Look at how smart they look. Now show mommy. Now show how mommy looks. Now let me show you how. Let me show you my look. This is my look. Yeah, so guys, we're just heading to hang out with family and have fun. I hope you guys are having fun wherever you are. I'm gonna catch up with you later. Bye bye.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well. Don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you're safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well. And I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you're safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you're safe.
You know where is your car for this one? This is Tata.
Look at that. Ona hiyo color. Look at the marinade. Ona venye imeweza. Nduta. Mama Amelia. Which one? Hello. Mwende. Mama Tatiana. Mama Njeri. Mama Gabu.
Mama Gabu, come kidogo.
How is it? It's okay. Look at that. No, that's not the head. It's just a fat piece.
I thought this was the mouth.
What? You've seen the mouth where? I may hold it marinate the head.
know I love her.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back. Today is on the 27th of December. We went to the family gathering on Christmas. We had fun, we ate, we drank, and we made merry. And then we came back on 25th very, very, very late. I think we came back 2 a.m. Yeah, and then yesterday on 26th, we spent the day resting and sleeping. Quite a lot of vlogs. So today, it's in the morning. It's even around 10 a.m. That's when I've woken up. I've woken up. My kids woke up a bit earlier, so Castell has already made tea. And then I wanted eggs, and our shops are closed, so I have to figure out what I'm going to make for breakfast. At least we had some milk and cake, so that's what they've had. So guys, how are you? How was your Christmas? Was it amazing? I hope you had fun. So now I just want to do some cleaning because my kitchen, let's take a walk. My kitchen is a bit messy because yesterday I didn't even have, let me close here. Yesterday I didn't have the strength to clean dishes, so it just came and it didn't even because I had so much food the previous day, now on Christmas Day. So yesterday we just made a light meal and ate, and I didn't even do cleaning. So you can see that is how my sink looks like. So I want to do some cleaning and then figure out what I'm going to make. I think I have some wheat flour, so I can make something to take with, because the shops are closed. I don't know why they're not opened, and it's raining. You can even hear the noise. It's really raining heavily, so I cannot even go further to look. So I have to make do with what I have in the house. Yeah, so let's clean the dishes and then figure out what you're going to have for breakfast. What I am going to have for breakfast, because at least the kids already sorted. There was cake and then there was milk, so they've had tea and cake, so then they're okay. But for me, I think I don't know what I'll make. So let me figure that out while I am cleaning the dishes. So let's clean these dishes. I didn't use a lot, but I like to start my day with a clean sink. Today looks so good. But at least it didn't rain on Christmas Day. Let me go check if there are more dishes in this. So I have finished with the cleaning, but I had to move the laptop here because I was really risking putting it next to the sink, and I didn't want it to get water. This is my life. I use my laptop to make wine, and I can't risk it to like for it to get water. But I finished with the cleaning. Let me show you. The sink is clean. I have cleaned the surfaces, and now I just want to I think I'm going to make, you know, that mixture of some wheat flour, sugar, I don't know, I think it's called crepes. Yeah, that's what I want to make. I don't have milk, I don't have eggs, so I'm just going to do something very simple, and I'm only making for myself, so even if they backfire, it's me who's going to eat, because at least the kids are already sorted. Yeah, so that's what I want to make. So let me place you guys over there. I'm going to use this. I have some flour some baking flour from the side, so I'm just going to use a little bit because I'm not making many. And then I'm gonna put some sugar. Just a little bit. And some salt. Just a pinch. And that's all. Baking flour, sugar, salt, and now water. That's what I'm going to use. Then I mix it up and let's first put the pan to start warming up. Yeah, let's put this here because it's a heavy pan. It takes a while to warm up. Yeah, so when that is warming up, we can start now working on this. So I'll put in some water and I'll just add some to the mixture. I hope later when they open those shops, but I just go to the supermarket to get some things. Because let me add some water. We are looking for a not so light, not so thick consistency, because this mixture tends to stick to the pan, so you have to be very careful about the consistency. You know, when you're making fluffy pancakes, you have eggs, you have milk, and then you have baking powder in the mixture and oil, so it can never stick to the pan. But this one, very easy for this to stick. So you have to really ensure that your consistency is just right. I want to taste the dough for the sugar is okay. Just mixing this. And then make sure it gets to all the corners of the bowl, because sometimes you find that there's some flour at the bottom, so you have to be very careful and do it thoroughly. This is where a whisk really comes in handy. 2023, I have a long list of things I want to buy for my kitchen. I'm really lacking a lot of things. I just pray that everything goes well and I get to buy the things that I want. And maybe, and of course on that list we have an electric, is it electric whisk or electric mixture? Yeah, so that you can even bake cakes, because also on that list there is like the gas cooker, the one that comes with an oven, that one. So this is the consistency that you're going for. It's okay. So let's just wait for the pan to be hot enough, and then you can start with cooking them. Let's put some oil on the pan. I've opened the door. We want some fresh air. So if you hear a lot of cars moving, sorry about that, because I live next to the road and it's a main road and it's a busy road. I don't want the pan to heat up and then it becomes stuffy in the kitchen. That's why I opened the door. And it's raining. It smells so nice. I like that smell of rain. You go round and round so that they turn out like a perfect circle. There you go. And then when it looks dry, you flip it. Pick up pancake. Let's get that. Oh no! But it's okay. Put some oil. So guys, this is how they came out. I made like 6. My kids have already eaten 2. They're simple and easy to make. We're gonna eat one of these with a cup of coffee, and that's that for breakfast. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. I hope if you're watching this video you've already subscribed, and please remember to like, and if possible even leave a comment. Thank you so much, and see you in the next one.